plus 4 Togba. Hey, hey, 4 plus 4 Togba. Hey, Obaseki don't finally win. No. Like seriously, oh my people. Obaseki don't finally win. Congratulations to Obaseki. Oh. We see they wait for genocide. Genocide say if Obaseki win, no go pack more for Benin. We they wait for genocide. Obaseki don't finally win o genocide. We see they wait make you pack. We never see refer you take pack. I bet we can't wait for you to pack. I beg. 4 plus 4 Togba. I'm so happy for Obaseki. You know, say if we get a new better governor, now so everybody they support them. You see the way Obaseki they do for Niger, because everybody the way that they support Obaseki said the thing surprised me. Even my mama, I can't ask and say who you want vote for. He say if not be Obaseki, not be another person. No. He say even my papa. He say if not be Obaseki, lie. That's when I like this man. They say the man they try for Benin well. The man they really try, like they try. And I say, say he stop so many things, you know. Say what he make Oshomole be the verse for him, because Oshomole be one user make the may not the as they made they eat money na the way into see do that. Or the man say in see try at the beginning you, and then later you can see the fuck of you understand. But Obaseki him be one main user like that, but Obaseki no gree. So now that one come be the verse when you come the verse for Obaseki that time, you know. But I dey happy well for Obaseki say he finally win am. Finally, because without being told, even all those quirky, all those market women, not go there. If you just talk about Obaseki name, the way they'll say if you cook bagba, the way they'll say the one woman when they interview her, they tell her say say whether like Isaiah Yamu go win or Obaseki. It's whether Isaiah Yamu do bath. I say this one. He say don't bath. He say even if pikin where they back no say Obaseki na go win sef. I say okay. They not the use and play because they say the man he really try, he really stop so many things. All those agbero, all those money where they collect for all those market women, and he can't stop so many things. So that make people really love the man well. I dey happy say he finally win now, because nothing like good governor, my people. At least these 4 years now, where they want give him again now, it can't be 8 years like that. I pray make God really use this man, make Benin really turn to wetin nobody go even expect. I really pray. I just pray. I really dey happy say this man finally win am. I really dey happy say Obaseki finally win ene. Magbera vane o, magbera vane o. Ehiaga o ti magade. Magbera vane o. We dey wait to genocide gay. Abat not feel happy. The way Abat say they pray for this day. Obaseki, I bet Abat ransom. Abat really fight for you and not be small. Abat, God go bless you. Shall you really try? The way you say really fight for Obaseki, say Obaseki must win am. Definitely win now, you know. I'm so happy, really. I am so happy. Dino say he say what they call Oshomole now. He say Oshomole now. I will put the video more on listing. You get the way call Oshomole. Oshomole, Mona go rest to Mona go rest. I beg. Mona go rest in peace. You with Isaiah Yamu. Obaseki don't finally win now. You don't fit do anything again. You don't fit do anything again. Before una try and draw this man go back. What una not do? What una not do Oshomole? So to una say the man not get certificate where he go school. So say una do so many things. Now that time me really know say they like this Obaseki well. Can't see people now. Can't see the way that they swear for Oshomole that time. Una go fear. Can't see swear. Can't see the way that they insult him. Can't see the way that they swear for him. Now say, what do you read day about this man, this Obaseki so? They love the man. You don't know his name. Norease. Norease. That be his name. Norease. That person when you own. If you not say yes, nobody will say no. That be his name. So now where the name they go, now name they follow person. You understand? His name na Norease. So that name really follow am well. You really follow am. I really dey happy and say Obaseki fan because I know say for me I know right from time I know say na Obaseki go win am. I know say easier forget that one. Pastor we want go do we be politician. I never see this kind of pastor before. May you face your pastor we want go do politician my people. Pastor for that matter. Hey. Not way Musa no go see forget. So thank you everybody. Take care. Mona follow me wish happy for Bini, happy for Obaseki. Obaseki don't finally win. I'm gonna follow me jolly, happy because I dey talk now. Me I dey drink my wine here. Oh. Thank you everybody, my jolly people. Take care. Until I come your way next time again. I remember your friend, your sister, your everything. Bye. Share this video and congratulate Obaseki for this opportunity where they give them again. Thank you. Bye.
Fellow countrymen and women, I salute you once again in the course of our nation's history. I am reaching you directly from Edo. What we used to have as Oshobaba has now been reduced, downgraded, degraded to Osho Pikin. So nobody should call Oshobaba again. Never. The only thing you now have is Osho Pikin. Everybody, Obaseki me for one time, Obaseki. Wike me for 2 times, Wike. Makinde me for 1 time, Makinde. Ekwere Madu me for 1 time, Ekwere Madu. Oyadino me for half time, Di Mechionu. Otiko, Osho Pikin. Otiko, Osho Pikin. Tiko, Osho Pikin. Osho Baba, oh, na, Osho Pikin. Osho Pikin, oh, Osho Pikin. Osho Pikin. Obaseki flog you, Osho Pikin. How can you expect that during rainy season, a man with the umbrella will not win? Definitely PDP win. APC, how market? Oshomole, how market? How market now? How market? Owó wọgbó lọ o. Owó wọgbó lọ o. Àwọn tó gbé dọ́là wá sẹ́dọ̀. Owó wọgbó lọ. Owó wọgbó lọ. Àwọn tó gbé bullion wá. Owó wọgbó lọ. Owó wọgbó lọ o. Owó wọgbó lọ o. Àwọn tó gbé dọ́là wá sẹ́dọ̀. Owó wọgbó lọ. Owó wọgbó lọ. Àwọn tó gbé dọ́là wá sẹ́dọ̀. Owó wọgbó lọ. Obaseki, pepper them, oh. Pepper them, oh. Philip Shaibu, pepper them, oh. Pepper them, oh. Wike, pepper them, oh. Wike,